Hello, this is Eric Dalius. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. I got some breakthrough information to share with you. Breaking news is the brand new release of MGAMES. It combines meme coins, blockchain, entertainment, all wrapped up into one. Let me tell you something. I got inspired about 10 years ago when I got first introduced to this crypto marketplace, this magical thing called Bitcoin, Ethereum. Changed my world, okay? Let me tell you something. 16 months ago, I decided to come out of retirement to build technology around this MGAMES token, blockchain, first of its kind. It's similar to what Cash App did to Bitcoin, building that technology around it to make it easy to explain, easy to understand, and easy to use. This is your window right now to go ahead and like this channel, subscribe to this channel, and be a part of this community and be one of the first ones to hear about MGAMES changing the meme coin revolution right here with our technology-based opportunity. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you soon.